And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to calculate fire goals in Empower. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you go and tap open is Empower. Once you open the Empower account, you need to get logged in into your account. Now, to calculate your financial independence, your retire early or fire goals, you use the Power or like Empower Personal Dashboards free retirement planner tool by applying the principles of the FIRE movement. The core calculation, or like the core or the mention of the calculation, is determining your FIRE number, that is your target saving goal, and then using the tool to project when you will reach it. So now you need to calculate your target FIRE number first of all by using the 25x rule or 4% rule. You need to determine your current or expected annual expense and multiply your annual expense by 25. So after you have done this, you can also use the Empower Retirement Planner. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.